As a busy professional, you often find it hard to relax and unwind because you're always on the go. And when you're always on the go, you become more stressed, you become more anxious, your cortisol levels are flying around the body, which also makes you maybe feel more overwhelmed and just a bit cloudy with everything that's going on. So I'm going to give you 5 ways that you can bring laughter to everyday chores that you do on a day-to-day basis. And by bringing laughter to them, they're going to make them more fun, you're going to be more creative, you're going to be more energized, more focused and more happy. I hope you enjoy the video. So with laughter, if you think about things that you do on a day-to-day that are quite repetitive in their movement, then that's how we can attach laughter to it. Now, nothing's more repetitive than ironing left and right. So what we'll do, we'll just go Ultimately, when we're putting a line through a task, it makes us feel more satisfied anyway. So why not just go every time we go just 10 seconds of laughter. That's all you need, just to lighten your mood. Making different noises for different bits of crockery and cutlery, isn't it? That's a, what's that? That's a and a and a It's just important to catch yourself laughing because, you know, when you like laughing, just releases endorphins. It makes us feel good about ourselves. And I always say that, but that's what it is. It just makes us, you know, it makes us feel more energized. It makes us feel more connected to people. But it's just having fun. It's just being childlike, being playful. Because, you know, children laugh 200 to 300 times a day. Can you imagine that? Like when we were kids, we used to laugh 200 to 300 times a day. And as adults, we just forget the power of laughter and just to laugh and to play. It's like, why can't we be more playful? Because when we're playful, we're more creative, we're more focused, we're more energized, we're happier. So step 1, we need to put our seatbelt on. So we grab it and we just go Step 2, we've got to start the engine. But when we start our engine, we've got to start our laughter engine. So we're going to put the key in and we're going to go Hope you enjoyed the video and have had a little think about how you can bring laughter to your day-to-day, releasing those endorphins. Now, endorphins release is one of the benefits of laughter, but laughter's got so many more benefits. I have a video that covers 7 ways that laughter can enhance your day. So why don't you go and check it out and let me know what you think in the comments below. That started.